In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zendesk form. Whether you're looking to streamline your customer support processes or enhance efficiency within your team, learning how to create customized forms in Zendesk can be a game changer. So, let's dive right in and get started with the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to navigate to ticket forms in the admin center of your Zendesk account. To do this, open up your Zendesk and look for the admin icon, which looks like a gear. Click on that, and it will take you into the admin settings of your Zendesk. From there, you'll need to go to the section labeled Objects and Rules. Once you're there, find the option that says Ticket Forms. Select this, and you're now in the right place to start creating your form. Now that you're in Ticket Forms, it's time to add a new form. You'll notice an option at the top that says Add Form. Click this button to initiate the process of creating your new form. Once you're in the form creation area, you'll want to start by giving your form a name. This name is important because it will be shown to your agents and help them identify which form they're working with. Additionally, you'll need to provide an end-user title. This is what your customers will see when they're in the Help Center, so make sure it's clear and descriptive. Moving on, you'll now be adding and arranging the necessary fields for your form. On the right-hand side, you'll see a list of all available ticket fields. These fields include both default ones and any custom fields you might have created. This is where the customization comes into play. Drag the fields you need, such as subject, description, and any drop-downs, into the form area. This simple dragging action allows you to tailor the form to meet your specific requirements. Feel free to rearrange these fields as needed to ensure they make the most sense for those who will be filling them out. Once you've arranged your fields, you have the option to enable conditional fields. This is optional, but can be very useful. After saving your initial form setup, click on the three-dot menu next to the form and choose Conditions from the drop-down. Here you can set rules that allow certain fields to appear only when others meet specific criteria. It's a great way to keep the form clean and ensure users see only the fields that matter to their specific situation. Finally, don't forget to save your form. Find the Save button, click it, and your form will be finalized. Once it's saved, the form will be available to end users in the Help Center under the Submit a Request section. It will also be accessible to agents in the form drop-down within Tickets. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created a form in Zendesk.